That was a hair whip, by the way. Hey guys, so that is right, I'm hopping on yet another trend that literally everyone's already done, but you know, better late than never. I chose to do James Charles makeup because he does the boldest little eye looks ever, other than like Nikki tutorials. I know we all know I'm not really good at anything. I also really don't know anything about makeup. This might actually teach me something. I'm going to be doing James Charles Rainbow Half Cut Crease Festival Makeup Tutorial. I think I can do this, guys. I actually think I can do this or something like this using what I have. Let's see how he does this.
I'm first going to grab the shade Burnt Orange on my M513 brush, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade in my crease. I'm just going to do windshield wiper motions, but I'm really going to keep this color concentrated on the inner.
Okay, so that was like an orangey, reddish. So we're doing it right here, I guess. Oh boy. Oh god. Oh no. Did I already not do that right? Oh, already? Oh, there's something going on. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, what's next?
Next, taking my R39, I'm dipping into the shade Real Gar, and I'm just going to put this right in the crease just to create a little bit more depth and dimension.
Okay, yeah, okay, great idea. What if I just darken that up a little bit with this color? And I'm just gonna wipe this right in there. Yeah, we're gonna get a little darker. Yeah. Oh my, okay, note to self, don't dip it in black. So we're just doing a little different colors than, you know, he does, but like, it's cool, it's fine.
So I'm gonna take a little bit more of Real Gar on my R39 again, and just blend over that to make sure that it is not too harsh.
Good plan, we'll do more orange. I feel like I'm Bob Ross. Yeah, something about that, and something about that.
I'm gonna grab my M514, and I'm gonna dip into this neon pink shade, and I'm gonna start the other.
Oh great, so we're dipping it in the hot pink. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh yes. Oh, on the outer corner. Dude, my eyes are so not symmetrical, it's not even funny. This is so bad. Why doesn't he look like me? Why don't I look like James?
A whole lot of blush all in this region. It'll all make sense later on, just try to follow.
Okay, so this next color looks a little bit like this color, but it's definitely not this color.
I'm gonna pat this color on the outer third, and I'm also gonna bring it onto the eyelid a little bit to start off the blending. And once again, once you get to the outer corner, I'm just going to kind of pull it out and wing it towards the hairline.
Okay, we're putting it on our lids and we're brushing it and to be out of the hairline. How come no one just does circles on their eyelids? Is that not efficient? Because I feel like it's very efficient. Wow, yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm wearing glasses.
Next I'm gonna grab yet another M433 brush, and I'm gonna dip into this purple shade.
Oh, we're doing purple. Oh, good. And we are winging it out and then bringing it back into the crease. Where's my crease? I don't think my eyes match at all. This isn't going that well. I don't know why. I kind of thought I would do better.
And finally, with that M562, I'm gonna grab just the tiniest bit of black, cross your fingers, and then deepen up the outer corner just a little bit more.
He said we're taking the tiniest bit of black and putting it on the side. I think here he means. I wish James was here to hold my hand.
I'm just gonna grab the concealer on a Dose of Colors eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to carve out the crease.
I don't have a small brush, but I'm gonna use this big one. Oh my god. Putting that there. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I did it. Wow, I thought I would be far worse at this.
Then just add a little bit of pop on the half cut crease. I'm gonna grab the Urban Decay glitter liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy and just put a littlest bit on there.
I bought this thing that is glittery, so let's try that. Oh my god, she's pretty. Wow, this is turning out so much better than I thought.
Then to start off the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Clay Plot in the shade Blue Moon.
So he did something and put blue on the bottom, and I bought this at CVS a long time ago, and this is blue. Ooh, oh, who is she? Oh my god. Wow, this whole blending thing works very well.
Now that the eyeshadow portion is all done, I'm actually gonna skip lashes just right now, and I'm gonna go on to the contour and highlight portion of the face, just because it's all gonna kind of connect, so I figured it'd be easier to just blend it all together and then worry about lashes and the other stuff later on. To start off,
deal. Okay, and he is doing some blush, and I don't have that blush, so I'm just gonna use more eyeshadow. Who says you need exactly what they say? Is that supposed to happen up there? What if I just dabbed it? Ooh, I'm dabbing. Yeah, boy, my face looks like I'm gonna turn into the girl on Willy Wonka. And highlighter. Oh wow. Oh my god, I'm a unicorn.
For lashes today, I'm gonna pop on my all-time faves, and that will be House of Lashes Iconics.
Oh, we're here for this. Oh gosh. This is not even close to what he put on his lips, but I'm putting it on my lips. And now we're drawing a line on our lips. Yeah. What if I don't get it right in the center? His is so shiny. I just want a shiny blue lip like he does. Wow. You know, I thought there would be like a grand ending, but like, this is it. That was a hair whip, by the way. Hannah, you did a great job. Thanks. Awesome, thank you. Guys, make sure to leave a solid argument down below whether or not you think I did a good job. If you guys like these videos, I can try to do so many other people's things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, I forgot something. Shoutouts. I forgot to do shoutouts. Thank you so much, Angel, Isabella, Matt, and Ryan. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for tweeting out my videos. If you want a shout out for next video, make sure to tweet out this link at me. You know, I'll probably retweet it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!